Hi guys, how are you? It's hot here in Pacific Heaven in Queensland, Australia. So today just a quick update of an update from the food forest. So you can see what's happening. It's nearly 2 months now since I posted my last video about the food forest. We have put some new grains and let the chickens in and the other birds. And now let's get with me. I show you. Let's get with me here in and I show you. You can see already here what is happening. Let's get in. It's nearly 2 months and the chicken cannot eat it empty because they got so much food. We have here about I would say about 15 chickens altogether, 2 turkeys, and they feel so well here that the girl actually made a nest and is sitting on the eggs at the moment. Let's have a look. So she got some eggs here, so we're getting some baby turkeys soon. And you can see, it's all good. So that's our puffy, our turkey, that. And all the chickens here in between, they were not able to eat it empty, hiding everywhere. They feel like in a paradise. So that is why I wanted to show you the update, how it looks like after nearly 2 months. So you know that it's worth doing it. Look at the perennials, the sunflowers, even bees are happy here. Huge sunflowers, grain, everything is growing. Our perennials are still getting trimmed as well. You can see here. So all these guys are super happy. Yes, you are, huh? And to show you, even if they would eat empty, I can show you over there. There is the next paradise for them already growing. This is behind the fence. Check the food forest update video, the last one I put in. I will put the link in the description below and at the end of this video, so where I explain everything. So after this place is empty, we will get the birds into the second forest over there. But for now, it looks like they are really super happy here, fertilizing the ground here. So even when they eat everything empty, we will have a beautiful fertilized ground to put new seeds in. So this is how it goes. Just a quick update, and I hope you like it. If you do, please put a thumb up for us here and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell so you get the notifications when we put up a next video. And I hope to see you again soon. So have a good one. Oh, and is she already sitting? Yeah, the girl is sitting. I try to show you. She's here. You can see her. Good girl.
So yes.
Take care.